Welcome to Car Magica, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews, expert insights, and the latest in cars, motorhomes, and everything in between. Today, we're diving into the remarkable 2026 BMW Motorhome, a futuristic blend of German engineering, dynamic performance, and upscale living. Known for precision and driving excellence, BMW has now taken its bold step into the luxury motorhome space, delivering a mobile experience that's every bit as refined as their legendary vehicles. The 2026 BMW Motorhome is a showstopper with its modern aerodynamic silhouette and aggressive yet elegant styling. It features BMW's signature kidney grille reimagined for a grander scale, sleek LED laser headlights, and flowing bodylines that speak to the brand's performance DNA. The exterior sits on an extended reinforced chassis developed exclusively for this motorhome and includes premium finishes, optional carbon accents, 22-inch M Sport alloy wheels. Under the hood, BMW equips the motorhome with a plug-in hybrid inline-six powertrain combined with an e-boost electric system. This setup delivers powerful torque with whisper-quiet acceleration, ensuring smooth, fuel-efficient cruising. The motorhome rides on BMW's adaptive M suspension, designed to absorb rough roads and keep every journey composed. With xDrive all-wheel drive and drive modes tailored for urban navigation, long-distance touring, and even light off-road paths, it's as capable as it is comfortable. Inside, BMW's craftsmanship is on full display. The interior is a seamless fusion of minimalism and technology, featuring fine Napa leather, real brushed aluminum, and sustainable wood trims. The motorhome is designed around modular living zones, including a digital lounge with reclining massage chairs, a smart kitchen with induction cooking and built-in espresso maker, a tranquil master suite with an adjustable memory foam queen bed, and a span-spired bathroom complete with stone tiles, backlit mirrors, and rainfall shower. Technology plays a leading role. The curved BMW iDrive interface has been expanded into a panoramic touchscreen dashboard, offering navigation, live telemetry, and entertainment controls. Voice and gesture control are standard, and climate functions are powered by AI that adjusts automatically based on occupancy and outside conditions. Entertainment is powered by Harman Kardon 3D audio and UHD smart displays throughout, with 5G connectivity, satellite link, and remote control via the MyBMW app. You're always connected and in control. Smart home integration allows full command of lights, temperature, and appliances directly from your phone or the built-in touchscreen. Safety systems include dynamic cruise control, pedestrian detection, autonomous emergency braking, and an advanced surround view camera setup. It also includes tire pressure sensors, cabin fire detection, anti-theft surveillance, and remote monitoring. The 2026 BMW Motorhome redefines what it means to travel in motion with performance, comfort, and cutting-edge design. It's not just a luxurious RV, it's a moving sanctuary for those who crave precision engineering, smart technology, and ultimate freedom. Whether you're exploring remote trails or arriving at a 5-star resort, this motorhome ensures every moment is experienced in true BMW fashion. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Car Magica. Stay tuned for more exciting updates on luxury vehicles, motorhomes, and the future of automotive innovation, all right here.